Hello everybody. My name is Ben Paswali and I'm Director of Technical Sales at KineticD. Today we are going to go through a high-level sales demo of our KineticCloud for PCs backup product. KineticCloud Backup for PCs is optimized for laptop and desktop protection. KineticCloud utilizes a patented continuous data protection process combined with seamless pause and resume technology that, with a one-click install and no configuration, grabs the most commonly used folders and files and automatically sends them to our certified data centers. Let's get started by installing the backup client. To do this, we double-click the exe and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, we can click Finish to launch the client. You are now prompted with the First Time Run wizard. This will allow you to populate the backup client with all your initial settings. So the first step is to put in your username and password. From there, we can test the connection. After successfully connecting, we can move on to General Settings, which allows you to change your temporary file location, as well as what you want the backup client to initially back up. By default, our continuous data protection pattern will automatically back up your My Documents, Desktop, Favorites, Outlooks, and Windows Mail folders. Once complete, we can click Finish. Because KineticCloud for PCs is so simple, after filling out the First Time Run wizard, our computer is automatically connected. So as you can see on my screen, the software is automatically detecting changes and already processing a backup. Now let's get into a major feature of KineticCloud for PCs, which is versioning. Because we use a continuous data protection process to back you up, we are able to restore up to 28 previous versions of a file. This is great if you ever accidentally delete a file or want to revert back to an older version. To demonstrate versioning, I've created a folder on my desktop called Excel. When I open it, we'll see a file called Book 1. Within this file, we're going to see an Excel worksheet with 2 rows. Both are highlighted. We will now click Options, Folders. We're going to jump down to our desktop, where we'll find the Excel folder. So by selecting this and clicking Apply and OK, the continuous client will automatically keep that folder protected. We are now going to reopen the Excel folder, and we're going to make a change to this file. We're also going to highlight it to make it easier to see. We click File and Save. We can close the file. Automatically, the KineticCloud for PC's backup client will detect those changes and back them up for us. So let's use a real-life scenario. Let's say we want back the original version of that Excel file. Remember, right now we have the modified version. So we go into the backup client and click Restore. From there, we put in our password and click OK. We will now expand the machine where the backup took place. We'll drill all the way down to the Excel folder. We then find the file I'd like to restore. We can click the plus sign to see that this file has multiple versions. Since I want the first version of the file, I can click here and click Restore. We then select the output folder and click Restore. Once complete, a restore log opens, which we can close, as well as our folder where our restore took place. By drilling down into here, we're going to be able to see that I restored the original version of the Excel that I wanted. This concludes our KineticCloud for PCs sales demo. If you have any questions at all, please visit us at www.kineticd.com, shoot us an email at sales@kineticd.com, or call us toll-free 1-866-430-2406. Thank you.